Hi guys, it's Azadin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 10 and start recording. Welcome back. OBS Studio is a free open source solution for game recording and live streaming. The application is expertly designed to enable users to work with multiple sources and mix between them to create a seamless broadcast. To not only record right from your microphone and webcam, but also incorporate existing videos, capture the whole window or a part of your screen, and add in footage from games. The lightweight and easy-to-use program that guarantees high-quality performance for commercial and non-commercial users, which is at the same time professional and user-friendly and easy to use. So if you want to get it, just follow this quick guide in which we'll be showing you how to download it, install and start using it in very easy steps, all for free. First of all, we head on to the software website. All the links will be available below. One of the coolest features is also it supports most of the operating system, whether Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Here you will select your operating system. Here we will be using Windows. Click on it. A new window will appear and your download will start. This is the installer. And your download will start automatically. So this is the installer.exe. You just hit start download and wait for it. Also, there is the option to get a portable one. To do so, we hit download. Great. Here you will have other options. As we said, you select your operating system from the top in here. You can download the installer. You would also download the 32-bit version, download via BitTorrent, or download the zip, which is the portable version. Let's click on download zip. Does not need any installation. We have already downloaded it, so just show it up. Open the 64-bit portable version. Select extract to, select desktop. Good. Good. So let's put all the folders in one new folder. Portable. Good. So now you can use the software without even installing it. Well done. Let's open it. Add on to the bin. 64-bit. OBS. You can create a shortcut. Close this one. Wait a few seconds until it starts. Good. Depends on your plan whether you will be using this software mostly for streaming, then select the first one. Otherwise, select the second one, which will optimize for recording. So we'll be using it for streaming mainly. So keep it the same one. First one. Good. Keep the same options. Here you can enter your stream information, the Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Restream, Twitter, etc. You can also add any other streaming service from the list in here by selecting all. So you can use this auto configuration wizard, which will help you optimize the software. Otherwise, you just start using it. So here we'll hit cancel. Good. As you can see, it has already detected our microphone. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. In order to make your first video screen recording, first of all, you need to add a screen capture. So we'll hit the plus button in here and add window capture. Good. Name it whatever you want. Here we'll name it desktop and hit OK. Good. As you can see here, it has started showing the desktop. Great. Let's select which monitor or which screen you want to record, whether you want to capture the cursor or not. Now if your screen is not well positioned, so you can still adjust it. You can toggle on and off by clicking on the eye in here. Just toggle it off or on. Next, what you need to configure is the audio, the desktop audio. So just hit the gear and select properties. Here you select which audio device will you be using for your recording. So it's better to keep it default. Good. Here you can adjust the volume. Great. Next one is your microphone. So here we have turned it off. As you can see, it has been detected automatically. If you want to adjust it, and if you are not getting any sounds in the microphone, so just hit properties, the same, and select which microphone you want to use. And it is also recommended to keep it default. If your microphone is not configured by default, then you need to make these adjustments. Now we need to head on to settings to make some adjustments. Great. Select the output. As for streaming and recording, so it's the path for recording. Make sure where you want to record, and the recording format. Here it's better to change it to MP4, which is much better for encoding and decoding. You can also make some adjustments for your audio and select the sample rate, the channels, etc. So that's all what we need for now. Just hit apply and OK. Great. And now we are good to start your first video screen recording just by hitting start recording. When you finish, you just hit stop recording. Well done. You head on to the file, and this is our recording in here. Good quality screen recording. I hope this helped you out. Keep tuned for our next tutorial, in which we'll be showing you how to start streaming into your YouTube channel and Facebook live page or profile. And with this, we have reached the end of this tutorial. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com